Hey everyone, I'm Rohit Singh and today I'm going to show you how we can build a fully automated morning market intelligence briefing. We'll go ahead and enter the prompt into the autopilot chart. It will ask us some questions before it goes forward. As you can see, it has asked us that if we want to create a new project or use an existing one. So we'll go ahead and say that create a new project and click on submit. And once we do that, the other details that it asks us, so we'll hit submit. So after hitting submit, it will do some work, and with our answers, it will go ahead and try executing the task. Now it is done executing all those tasks, and it does have 3 things created at the top. If you can see, there is a project created, there is an agent created, and also a workflow has been created. Firstly, we'll just go ahead and scroll down, and after that we'll click on the project and see what it has created now. So it has created a chart, as you can see. We'll go ahead and we'll connect our Notion with it, and once we connect it, when we take in directly to, we can go ahead and set up plot and save, and this is the prompt that it has written, a very well diversified prompt. So we'll go to tools, and in the tools you can see that we have a workflow, and we can go ahead and directly execute it at once. And once we are on the flow, it will go ahead and execute things. It will take some time, and once it is done executing, we have some, it is creating some data. Once we go and visit Notion, you'll see that a fresh market intelligence report will be generated automatically and delivered directly to our Notion. And in just a few minutes, we have gone from a simple idea to a complete automation that keeps us informed about the market every single day. And that's all. See you again soon.